Hi, my name is Bill Wireman. I am the service training specialist here at Logan Services, and today we're going to answer some questions about the AC not turning on. First thing you want to check is the power going to the unit, and that could be the breaker in the breaker box or the disconnect, making sure that it has the power going through it. Another thing is your thermostat set for cooling? You need to go there and make sure it is actually set there and that the set point is below what the room temperature is. Some of the signs that you may have a bigger issue with the system is maybe it's running, but there's not really a bunch of cold air coming out of the vents. Maybe there's no air coming out of the vents. When you're checking for that freezing up on your copper lines, it starts on the indoor unit and should start freezing right here. If you are experiencing any issues and you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps that we have described to you, at that point in time, it is time to call for a service technician to come out and evaluate your system. Give us a call at Logan Services so that we can help take care of you.